Save time and money. 21 pack of bento boxes features 3 compartments in one container. Each meal prep container can store a total of 24 ounces, 12-6 to 6 ounces, which are the perfectly to stay full, yet fit and healthy. Healthy meal everywhere. Featuring food storage containers help to keep your meal prep plan and lose weight. These plastic containers can also be used as school lunchbox or last night's dinner. Premium quality and design. Most meal prep containers don't last for a long time. They crack after a few uses or melt in microwave. Not Freshware, our heavy-duty lunch containers are built to be more strong and reusable than our competitors. Microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. Made of the highest quality food-safe materials, these bento box can withstand temperatures from -40 C to +120 C, -40 F to 250 F. Freshware promise. Freshware prides itself on providing the absolute best customer service in the industry. For any reason you decide that this bento box is not for you, you can return it with no questions asked. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy large containers perfect for freezer meals. I've bought these 3 times now, even though we haven't lost one yet. I find them perfect for homemade TV dinners. I just throw leftovers in if they're appropriate for freezing and voila. I will say, we don't use them in the microwave, but everything pops out easily to a plate to be microwaved. I am sure they may microwave fine, but we try to avoid using heat with plastic. I bought more because they're perfect for giving meals out and not expecting the dish back.